at the HANCHU stand. We've got this beautiful battery here. We're here with Jamie. What can you tell me about it?
So this is our 9.4 kilowatt hour blade tech battery. It's not quite as tall as it looks. It's stood on a table. It's one of the smallest domestic lithium batteries in its capacity in the industry. And that's because it uses something called blade cell technology. You'll research it, you'll tend to find it in the automotive industry where size and weight's a premium. So the cell structure is completely different to standard lithium cells. Ultra safe, ultra compact, 40% smaller and lighter typically than most batteries out there. So this puppy weighs 72 kilos. Still heavy, but much heavier than 100 to 120 that some of the competition weighs.
Speaking of competition, if I've got a customer or someone watching the video who's thinking, I want to go for Tesla, it's a nice home brand, I know that I've got the car, etc. I want to get a Powerwall. How could they be turned away, or how could I talk them into going, let's look at this?
A lot of it is budget.
Yeah,
budget, of course. Tesla's a premium brand. They do some lovely kit, and everybody knows the brand.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised at the amount of customers that have come to us and said, how much can I add this 9.4 battery to my Tesla system? And unfortunately, they're just not compatible.
Not really, no.
Work different, two different brands. And the people are doing that just because of the cost of adding extra battery storage, where if somebody's got a HANCHU system with a 9.4 battery and they want to add another 9.4 battery to it, it's a case of just adding one battery.
Yeah.
Nice and modular.
Yeah. And it's all nice, low to medium budget with that premium product.
Yeah, it's a premium product, but at a really competitive price, and it's got a standout 12-year warranty, great cycle range on it, enough cycles to last you 16 and a half years roughly at a full charge and discharge a day.
Yeah.
And a 5 kilowatt charge and discharge rate perfectly suited to our single-phase inverter range.
Yeah. Wonderful. No, thank you very much.
All right.
Great to see you. Enjoy the rest of the event. We'll see you around.